What's up, everybody? Mike here with Infinity Personal Training, and the Posture Police are back for you. All right, so more desk mobility drills. So this is more like a desk activation drill. You can do this as much as you want. Take a break every now and then from sitting at your desk. Activate those back muscles, get you out of that hunched over position. This is so simple, okay? And it just takes like a couple seconds. It'll get your breathing back to normal and get that posture kind of reset. So what you're gonna do, so get off of your laptop, kind of swing your chair to the side, ground your feet into the ground, okay? Feet are into the ground. Think about like you're gripping it with your toes, your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel, making that triangle with your foot. You're gonna sit up real nice and tall. Roll those shoulders back, and our chin is up, not too high where we're looking up at the ceiling, but real good posture. And then we're just going to kind of bring our hands up, okay? We're gonna interlock those fingers, so right in here, and then I'm gonna just gently start to pull apart, keeping that real good posture. And I wanna feel my mid-back, low back, a little bit in my neck, the back of my neck pulling, and then my eyes, just my eyes, are going to look up to activate even more of that posterior chain, or the back muscles there, okay? Once we get kind of that good pull, good tension in the hands, you're gonna do some nasal breathing. So just breathing through our nose, keeping our mouth shut. You do 3 to 5 breaths, so about 10 to 15 seconds there. And then when you lower down, just go down real nice and slow, okay? Don't just drop down. All right, so here, dropping down, kind of shake it out. Then you're gonna flip, other hand goes, and then the same thing, good posture, pull, eyes look up, nasal breaths, and really kind of breathing down into our belly, and just kind of like resetting our breath, kind of getting everything back to normal there, and feeling those back muscles kind of turn on as we pull out, okay? So a couple main things there. Make sure when you pull, you're not shrugging your shoulders up into your ears. We want to keep those nice and relaxed. Real good posture, like I said, keeping those feet grounded, kind of sitting at the edge of my chair. I'm not slouched over, just pulling it like this. Just focus on that real nice, good posture there. And 3 to 5 breaths each way, and you can do that as much as you want throughout the day, resetting your breath, getting that posture reset, and get you feeling good so you can keep on crushing the rest of your day, and you don't have to hear from the Posture Police anymore. All right, guys, you just got teed up on another Technique Tuesday. Y'all take care.